Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're at the venue. Start now by confirming permission to connect, then enable CarPlay on your iPhone. Settings, General CarPlay. Plug in the official Lightning or USB-C cable, or initiate wireless pairing if the head unit supports it. Once connected, accept prompts on both iPhone and the car display. Make sure to unlock the phone and grant permission for the venue system. This first action establishes the secure data and audio link you need to continue. Once CarPlay appears, select it on the head unit. Choose USB or Bluetooth input depending on your connection. On your iPhone, allow access for maps, phone, messages, and audio so apps can communicate. This avoids interruptions. Then configure the head unit's display layout and audio output. Make sure media goes to the venue speakers and voice calls route to the car mic. If available, map steering wheel buttons for track, voice, and call control to minimize distraction while you use CarPlay. Finish by testing navigation, a phone call, and music playback so you know audio and mic routing work. Secure the iPhone in a stable mount and enable Do Not Disturb for driving to suppress notifications. This keeps the venue experience professional. If something fails, no CarPlay display or audio. First, reboot the phone, unplug and replug the cable, or toggle CarPlay off and on in settings. If problems persist, ask venue AV staff to check the head unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.